Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution to Joomla site. As we know, this is best OAuth OIDC SSO solution in the market. Today we are going to configure Spotify single sign-on with Joomla OAuth Client. Log in to your Joomla site. Go to Extension Manage and then click on Install. Search OAuth Client in search box. Select miniOrange OAuth Client. Click on Install. Installation of the package was successful. Now go to Components and click on miniOrange OAuth Client. Select Spotify from pre-configured applications. Let's configure Spotify as OAuth Provider. Go to Spotify console. Log in with credentials. Click on Create an App button. Enter the details of application. Accept all the terms and conditions, then click on Create button. Press the Show Client Secret button. Copy the client ID and go to the miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Let's configure Joomla as OAuth Client. Enter the custom app name and then paste client ID. Copy client secret. Paste client secret. Now go to the Edit settings. For redirect URL, go to miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Copy redirect OR callback URL. Paste redirect URL and click on Add button. Then save settings and go to miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Then save settings. Now click on Test Configuration. Click on Agree that Joomla OAuth Client will able to view Spotify account data. Copy the email attribute name. Paste this attribute in field of email attribute. Copy the attribute name as display name. And paste in the field of username attribute. Then click on Save Attribute Mapping. Attribute mapping saved successfully. Let's see how it works. Copy the login URL. Open a new browser or private window and enter login URL. Enter the login details and click on Login button. User login successfully. Congratulations, user successfully logged in using SSO. Please contact us at joomla@securify.com for any custom features, or if you need assistance for setup, we will be happy to help you in no time. miniOrange provide best SSO solution. Thanks for watching.